we are on a 24-hour cycle as humans, and our circadian rhythms really dictate so much of our biology. And our bodies are naturally on a 24-hour clock. We have clock genes, but there are a few ways through our behavior that we can entrain the natural clock of the body, which then feeds into the proper expression of so many of our genes and hormones and cell signaling pathways. And there's three main ways that we can essentially tell the body what time it is. The first is sleep consistency. Are we going to bed and getting up at essentially the same time every day? That creates a rhythm for the body that it can just ease into, that entrains essentially the clock for the body. So that's why sleep consistency is so important. The second is meal timing. When are we eating each day? We eat at super erratic times during the day. The average American actually has over 11 eating events per day over the course of 15 hours. That's a lot of eating events. So the body that's expecting maybe more regular times and definitely eating before dark is now getting food all the time, totally confuses our clock. The third is when we view light. So this is probably one of the most important ones, which is if we, our body doesn't know if it's dark or light outside, if it's day or night. Our cells don't have eyeballs. And so we have to tell the body what time it is by exposing it to literal photons. The photons go through our eye, go through the vitreous fluid in the eye. They hit our retinal cells that transmit an electrical action potential to our suprachiasmatic nucleus, which then translates into essentially telling our body it's morning. That's how it happens. And so it is really our responsibility to show our retina cells direct photon energy. Doesn't mean staring straight at the sun. It means just being outdoors without a window or sunglasses and just being outdoors. And that is a signal that entrains our 24-hour clock saying, hey, it's morning. So just to summarize here, circadian rhythm is absolutely critical for our metabolic health because so many of our metabolic genes, signaling pathways, and hormones are on a 24-hour rhythm.